Can this recipe make you more fashionable? You don't need to change for anyone.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Pad Kra Pao. It's a street food from Thailand. Riff raff, street food. I really want you. Pad Kra Pao. Let's get to it. What's Aladdin's favorite food? Jasmine rice. That's right. Pad Kra Pao nights like Pad Kra Pao days, more often than not, are hotter than hot in a lot of good ways. Prep your rice. Fudgicles. Get yourself a mortar and pestle. Don't get yourself a mortar and pestilence. The bubonic plague is no laughing matter. Boob. What's the most hated ingredient in the Star Wars universe? Gar Gar Binks. Misa, so sorry for that joke. 6 cloves of garlic. Oof, go in. I also bought a bunch of these Thai chilies, so I'm gonna use like, I don't know how hot they are. Oh, yo! Oh, wow. That's hot. Woo! Hey guys. Ooh. Oh, it's spicier on the way up. Cucumber. Don't do that. Don't do that. That wasn't so bad. 1, 2, 3. 3 Thai chilies. That's a spicy meatball. Now muddle it all together. Ow. Okay. Woo. Keeping it together. Muscle memory. And that will be our hot pepper paste. You're almost as pasty as I am. I am the future. Focus. Future puss. You're like a peregrine falcon. If I keep you blind, you're super calm. 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's snowing. It's a soyous occasion. Soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. If you don't have any dark soy sauce, just convince your regular soy sauce to kill Mace Windu. That'll bring it to the dark side. Nerd! Did you hear about the mollusk that was really well dressed? He had that oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Something smells fishy around here. I think it's this fish sauce. Awful. I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and water. 1 tablespoon of water. Give it a little mix so that sugar gets dissolved. Sauce is complete. Traditionally, you're supposed to use holy basil, but I couldn't find any. I could only find Thai basil. So I guess get some Thai basil and have it blessed by your local minister. We're gonna also fry up an egg or 2 because they're fun to put on top. Got these really fancy eggs too. Happy birthday, Mr. President. Little bit of butter. You're a big egg. That's your brain on drugs. Just a little bit of veggie oil. You know it's good for you because it's veggie oil. Then we're gonna toss in our little pepper garlic paste. And I'm also gonna toss in some ground Wagyu beef. How do you know if a cow is in a good mood? It Wagyus its tail. That smells so good. I'm using beef, but you can use any ground meat you want. Also, you don't have to use Wagyu beef. I was just being super bougie. Bad and bougie. Now add your sauce. Woo! Add your sauce. Make sure it gets a thorough coating. Now make it rain basil. Give it a quick mixage. And now turn off the heat. Bit of rice and all of the, I am ready for that. Little egg on top. A little pinch of gochugaru on top if you want, totally optional. Pad Kra Pao. Let's eat. Oh wow, oh my God. Come on, break the egg yolk in there, why not? Make sure you do the egg also. Oh my God. Hi. Oh my God. I want all of you in my mouth right now. Holy shit. Shout out to the noodle queen for this. I'm obsessed. Bye friends.